Calling something cheap can seem like an insult, so instead we'll claim that the Chevy TRAX has an attractively reduced starting rate, which is an important part of its charm. This subcompact SUV is just one of the most cost-effective brand new lorries of any kind you can purchase, and it has a high worth ratio and a lot of compound thanks to a spacious inside and pleasant driving experience that hide its price tag. It makes some sacrifices compared to more expensive competitors. Its 137 horsepower 3-cylinder engine isn't precisely a criticism, and front-wheel drive is the only arrangement offered. But it offsets those deficiencies with great deals of conventional features and appealing styling in and out. That's why we chose it for our 10 best trucks and SUVs list in 2014 and offered it our Editor's Selection Award as well. And why it continues to be a wise purchase for any person looking for a functional, economical, and very attractive brand new vehicle. The Chevy TRAX supplies some appealing bonus without resembling costing a fortune. The LT is the pleasant place between price and features. The LT comes with a large 11.0-inch infomercial touchscreen and remote beginning, and we invest the added cash for the optional heated front seats and guiding wheel. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are also basic on LT and up. That makes navigation and playing music from your smart device a win. The TRAX has a small powertrain containing a 137 horsepower turbocharged 1.2-liter inline 3-cylinder engine, a 6-speed transmission, and front-wheel drive. 4-wheel drive isn't available also as an alternative. The TRAX leaves the line with enough gusto to prevent sensation slow around community. Yet you'll notice the lack of power when combining or handing down the freeway. Still, we choose its conventional 6-speed automated over the continually variable transmissions, CVTs, found in much of its rivals, as this transmission moves smoothly and prevents the droning found in CVT-equipped competitors such as the Honda HR-V and Subaru Crosstrek. Handling is distinctly car-like, and the TRAX feels much more agile than a number of its opponents. Its brake pedal feels reassuringly firm underfoot, and the steering is foreseeable and reasonably communicative, offered its basic transportation mission. The 2025 Chevy TRAX has actually EPA estimated scores of 28 miles per gallon in the city and 32 miles per gallon on the highway. Those are about the same as the non-turbo Mazda CX-30, although the CX-30 has 4-wheel drive and the TRAX is front-wheel drive only. The TRAX gets better fuel economic climate around the city than the Hyundai Kona. On our 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy course, the TRAX returned 30 miles per gallon.